Hey there, welcome back to our channel iNews You. Today, we're diving into second part of some fascinating news that's been making waves in the stock market recently. Traders are making some bold moves, betting big on the future of Trump media. Let's jump right into it. So, what's the deal with Trump media? Well, it's the parent company of the social media platform Truth Social, and it recently made its stock market debut under the ticker DJT. But things haven't exactly been smooth sailing for this company. Initially, there was a lot of hype surrounding Trump media, with its share price soaring to nearly $80 per share. But that excitement quickly fizzled out as the stock took a nosedive, plunging below $50 per share. In just a short time, over $2 billion of market value was wiped out. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Trump media has become the most shorted special-purpose acquisition vehicle in the country. But what exactly does that mean? Well, short sellers are essentially betting that the price of a stock will fall. They borrow shares of a company, sell them on the market, and hope to buy them back later at a lower price, pocketing the difference as profit. I had a chance to speak with Iyer Dusanowski, Managing Director of Predictive Analytics at S3 Partners, who gave us some insight into the situation. Iyer Dusanowski, they are looking for this stock to crater very quickly. Before Trump media went public, it merged with a shell company called Digital World Acquisition Corporation. Investors were heavily betting against Digital World as a proxy for Trump media. However, that turned out to be a largely losing trade as the shell company's shares more than doubled in value. Last month, Trump media released updated financial information, revealing little revenue, large losses, and a statement from the company's auditor expressing doubt about its financial viability. This disclosure seemed to fuel even more interest from investors betting against the company. But here's where it gets tricky for short sellers. There are only around 5 million shares of Trump media available to borrow, out of approximately 137 million shares in total. And with big players like BlackRock and Vanguard not holding significant amounts of Trump media stock, the supply is even further limited. Plus, the fees for borrowing Trump media stock are through the roof, currently sitting at a staggering 550%. This means that shorting the stock for just a month could cost over $20 per share. Now, let's talk about warrants. These give owners the right to new stock at a fixed price, pending regulatory approval. Some investors are betting on the difference between Trump media's stock price and the value of these warrants, which could still result in profits even after factoring in the high borrowing costs. And finally, we have options trading. Investors are making bold moves with stock options, betting on big movements in either direction, way up or way down. The cost of these options is also incredibly high, indicating significant interest in the future of Trump media. So, there you have it, traders are placing some massive bets on the fate of Trump media. Will it soar to new heights, or will it come crashing down? Only time will tell. Be sure to stay tuned for more updates on this evolving story. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for notifications. See you next time.